Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on. What's the energy around you, and what do you need to know right now? What messages does my collective need to know? Let's see what's going on. Okay. We have the King of Cups. There's someone in your energy who is feeling a lot of love for you. This person is thinking about the past, and this person is thinking about the time spent together. This person wants to come into that energy where you were very happy with them, or you were just accepting and understanding of their journey. You were you were inclined towards knowing more of them. Like, you wanted to know more of them. You were waiting patiently for them to reveal parts of themselves. We have the Eight of Swords in reverse. This person is realizing that, you have come a long way in your journey. And when I say that, there were just a lot of negative limiting beliefs which were in a way controlling your life. I'm picking up on someone's energy who has worked really hard to understand how their inner monologue was affecting their journey. And this person has somewhere seen you grow into an individual which is much more confident as a person. Like, previously, your confidence was something which was evitable, but now it is an unshaken belief and faith that you have in yourself. And it doesn't stem from the success in your career or the success in your relationships. It just comes from within you because you know yourself really well. I'm picking up on someone who is in a way admiring your journey, or in a way they are noticing, and they are kind of registering the fact that, okay, this person has grown a lot. Like, they are acknowledging and they are giving you your flowers in their mind. They are doing that. We have the Ace of Wands. This person wants to start something new with you, but they know that you have moved through a lot of heartbreak and grief, and this connection was rather difficult for you to understand. This connection was, you felt very deeply for this person. I'm picking up on someone with whom you felt a soul connection. You felt as if your soul resonates with this person, and they know that in order for you to be in this loving and open minded, open, free spirited energy again, they have to make a major change in their life. Yeah, we have the Two of Cups. This person wants to come towards you. This person wants to build a life with you. I'm picking up on twin flames because, this is, yeah, we have the lovers. This is such a beautiful reading. You know what I'm picking up on? This is a connection where you have completely changed the way you are as a person. And maybe you don't realize it about yourself because it was a journey for you which was long lived. Like, you have lived it. It is something which happened for you over the span of years. But for this person, they feel it's too fast, they feel it's too instant. The time with which the time frame in which you adapted into this new frequency, into this very magnetic and confident energy, it is very quick for them. They feel as if, how can someone change so fast? Like, your external circumstances haven't really changed drastically for you to feel so comfortable in your life. That is something I'm picking up on. This person is in this energy where they feel that, they want to be more like you. And this is someone who doesn't really get inspired or influenced by someone so quickly. They see a lot of optimistic people. This person is well learned, this person has traveled. So they see a lot of optimistic people. They see a lot of people who are spiritually, very fierce spirited, and they know a lot of people who are um somewhere excelling in their life. They know a lot of people who are doing very well in their careers. So they see you in a very different light now, and they like this. It's like a mental game for them, where they sit and think about you from time to time, and then they think about your qualities, and they try to, match the column, like previously how you were as a person and now how you are as a person, and like what are your core behavioral traits. So one of them which is standing out for me, you don't give up. Like you don't give up on the things that you actually want in your life. And you're easygoing, but at the same time you have this very high moral ground. Like you have certain expectations from yourself which you don't necessarily verbalize, like you don't tell it to other people, but like you have this high standard, high expectations, and a lot of people don't cross that. They don't come near you because they can sense it off your aura. So yeah, this person knows that. We have the three of cups in reverse. What I'm picking up on, like, when this person started knowing you, when this person started understanding your personality, your behavior, when this person started to actually take interest in you, they were entertaining a lot of third parties. Like, this person was on a lookout to find a person for themselves who can intrigue them in a way which is because this person doesn't get impressed by a lot of people. This is not someone who falls in love easily. So they were waiting for someone to make them feel this way, and they were very surprised that you have made an everlasting impression in their mind. We have the Queen of Swords in reverse. Initially, this person might have thought that, you're just because you're not easily available, you're not easy to please. So, this person might have thought that you're very cold hearted, like, you don't allow people to get close to you, you're a rude person or something like that. But now that they have noticed you for long enough, they are realizing the reasons behind it. And we have the tower, and we have the tower here. You know what I'm picking up on? This person has seen you, watched you go through something which was kind of like devastating for you, but how you handled it was because you were a Queen of Swords in reverse, because you were rude, because you were in this energy where you cut off a lot of people, or you were in this energy where you didn't allow a lot of people in your energy. That is one of the reasons why you moved through the star the way you moved through it. And this person is understanding that. Like, it's not something like, this is someone who you don't have to explain yourself to this person. This person just understands you because they think about you so much. Very beautiful energy. Can you tell me more about how this person views my collective? How this person views my collective? We have the star. Wow. This person knows you have something in you. This person knows, like, this is one of those individuals who when they when they started noticing you and when they started understanding your behavior, they knew that you are going to achieve what you are here to achieve, or what your ambitions are, what your goals are, or you will shine and become the person that you truly want to become. Your exterior personality, the way you look, the skin, everything is going to match your soul's frequency over time. Like, this person knows that. Um, this person knew that from the beginning. With the star card here, this person also views you as someone who is a very bright healing force in their life as well. With your light, you have kind of like showed them the darkness that they need to work on. And this is not someone who thinks about healing journey in a way like how you think about it. They don't really think about it that way. They just think of it as, okay, this was just a lesson for me, or this was just character development. They don't go and ruminate about the things that they shouldn't or should be doing. What are soul lessons, mother wounds, father wounds? This is not someone like that. This is just someone who is living through life. They are spiritual enough to understand life lessons, but they don't actually, spend a lot of time thinking about it. Can you tell me, okay, can you tell me the future action of this person? We have the Ace of Swords in reverse and we have the Seven of Cups. This person is not exactly sure even now that you are going to choose them, because this person knows that you are someone you detect bullshit very easily. You are someone you like authentic people, and you like things that start from a very honest, like I'm picking up on someone who is just very brutally honest, someone who is just extremely authentic. And this person knows that because of the past and because how they behaved in the past, it will be very difficult for you to accept them even if they come with a very authentic offer towards you. And for the future prediction, what I'm picking up on with the 7 of cups being here, this person is not exactly sure if you are going to accept their offer. And this is also something that they need to work on, because they are expecting the worst, and it is kind of reflecting back on them that how they are as a individual. Like, they want something, they know it's good for them, but they are in this self sabotaging energy, and they don't want to make the kind of effort that this relationship requires. So, this is a lesson for them again. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know your situation in the comments down below. Bye bye.